So here I am. I've got my 4 more rows knit. I've got my counting thread in, and now I'm ready to start running the counting thread going up. The counting thread starts 5 stitches in. It's my 4 seed stitches and then that 1 buffer stitch. So I'm going to work those 5 stitches the way I need to for the swatch. So it'll be slip the first stitch, then I'm going to purl, knit, purl, and then knit. And now I'm right where I need to put my marker. Now the easiest way, if you lose track, because it's really easy to lose track, the easiest way to really count how many rows you are is not to try and count the stitches, but to count the loops, the ladders between your stitches. So if I put this needle in here where my marking thread is and come up and I look at that, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 threads on my needle, which means I've done 4 rows. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that counting thread, the other end of that counting thread, the long one, and I'm going to pull it underneath my yarn and to the front. And then I'm just going to knit across the way I typically would. And then as I go, every 4 rows, I'm going to weave that counting thread in and out along the length of it. But what I'm also going to do is when I hit about the middle, after I've done about, let's say 2 inches, or a little less, a little more, I'm going to actually run another thread going across. I'll show you what that looks like in a few minutes. But basically, this is going to allow me to count my threads, my stitches, and my rows without actually needing to sit and count every one because I have them marked off like this. You'll notice my threads are loopy. I keep it loose so that as I'm stretching it out, it has room to move and that I'm not restraining the swatch at all.